And I do like using this garbage bag, or I don't know, I might have two under here. And you can stick this garbage bag underneath these bolts. And when you're running a brass rod down through there, that shavings will be caught by that plastic bag or those plastic bags. I do like that, and when I take that down, I'm just gonna take it down real, just kind of drag it down from inside. You can see where I popped that bag inside there, and here you can even see the bag in underneath the hole there. That's what I'm talking about. When you run a thread down through there, a brass thread chaser bolt, the anything will be caught on the plastic bag. Look at that. That was unplanned, but it works. It does work. So what else? Just I'm going to put it on dry. This is the head gaskets now are perfect.